Hi, I'm Ivan Schulman with the Global Alert Network, and today I would like to show you how the free Global Alert Network mobile application turns your device into a valuable weather alerting system, very much like the old-fashioned weather radio. Bad weather can strike anywhere, any place, and at any time. With all the bad weather in the news lately, you need to be constantly updated on conditions. Let's take a look at a real-life example.
Meg and Cindy have sons on the same soccer team. It's a friendly competition to see whose son will be the starter. Yet Cindy seems to enjoy the games much more than Meg. Maybe it's Cindy's intuition, or maybe it's the Global Alert Network that sends Cindy vital weather information directly to her phone.
The National Weather Service in Dallas has issued
so she knows what to wear for each soccer game. Maybe someday she'll share this information with Meg, or maybe not. The Global Alert Network, free weather information to your phone when you need it. What you do about it is up to you.
As you've just seen, the application recognizes your location and gives you valuable information based on where you are. The app will only alert you to weather updates that are relevant to you. Wouldn't you like the peace of mind and the ability to prepare for whatever conditions you and your family may face? Global Alert Network's free alert application provides just that. Why don't you download it today?